Hello, we are going to show you how we can make a Greek coffee. So, in the beginning we are putting the water. We need water, so we put equal cup of water in the tray. We will open the gas. First we are going to put sugar. We can make it full spoon is very sweet, half spoon is medium. Put a little bit more. And then the coffee, a full spoon. And then we are slowly, we need only a few minutes to prepare this coffee. Very easy and very tasty. So when it starts coming up, that means that it's ready. So it's almost ready. And we are serving like this. And this is a Greek coffee. Thank you.